Osmo Action 5 Pro, using the DJI Mic 2. This video introduces how to use Osmo Action 5 Pro with DJI Mic 2 wireless microphones. Osmo Action 5 Pro can be linked with up to 2 DJI Mic 2 transmitters simultaneously. To connect a DJI Mic 2 transmitter to the camera, swipe down from the top of the screen and enter the control menu. Tap the settings icon and select wireless microphone, TX1, TX2, and the camera is ready to link with the transmitter. Press and hold the power button of the transmitter for 2 seconds to power on. Follow the instruction on the screen to link. Press and hold the record button of the transmitter for 3 seconds to switch to Bluetooth linking mode. At this time, the system status indicator will blink blue slowly. Press and hold the linking button of the transmitter for 2 seconds. The transmitter will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. The system status indicator will blink blue quickly. When the transmitter is successfully linked with the camera, the system status indicator of the transmitter will turn solid blue. You can view the connection status according to the prompt on the screen. To connect 2 DJI Mic 2 transmitters simultaneously, repeat the above linking process for the second transmitter. Once the transmitter is linked to the camera will show the wireless microphone parameter settings automatically. You can adjust the audio parameters of the transmitter, such as the monitor volume, and the current volume level will be shown in the live view of the camera. When linked with the DJI Mic transmitter, you can press the linking button to start recording while using the transmitter for audio.
欢迎观看 DJI 运动相机教学视频。